Modern men don't lack testosterone. They lack drive. Blood tests look fine. Energy is low. Motivation is gone. Viking sees the lie. Everyone says, boost testosterone and you'll feel like a man again. But men lift. Men eat clean. Men take supplements. Still tired. Still distracted. Still weak. So what's missing? Testosterone gives power, but dopamine gives direction. Without dopamine control, testosterone has nowhere to go. Modern man has strength, but no hunger, no chase, no fire. Because dopamine is flooded. Screens, sugar, comfort, noise. Reward without effort. The brain learns, why push when pleasure is free? This is why men feel unmotivated. Not lazy, not broken. Overstimulated. High dopamine destroys drive, even with normal testosterone. Viking understands this. Viking does not chase pleasure. Viking earns it. Effort first, reward later. Control dopamine and testosterone works again. What kills your drive the most? Phone, sugar, comfort, screens? Comment below. Join the tribe. Subscribe.